This is my much anticipated All About Me sensory story. Lots of you are starting my sensory curriculum this year, and it starts with Year A Ourselves topic. And this is the first book we look at in Year A as part of my sensory curriculum. Just like all of my stories, it teaches you how to tell a sensory story, and it has the menu of all of the items you need as well. And the idea of all of these stories are that they are accessible for all ages and all stages. Right, let's have a look at this story. My body helps me understand the world around me. For this one, if they're in a wheelchair and you say around me, you spin them around. Or if they're able-bodied, you put them on a spinning chair or some kind of spinning seat as you say the words. My body helps me understand the world around me. I look with my eyes. And if they're visually impaired, you can change it to I see light and shade. So I look with my eyes. We've got a light up resource here. I look with my eyes. You can track it from left to right. I look with my eyes. I listen with my ears. I listen with my ears. I listen with my ears. I touch with my hands. And you can have a rotation of a variety of dry and wet ingredients to touch and explore with their hands. I touch with my hands. I smell with my nose. And again, have a rotation of different smells. I like to put my scents on cotton wool in spice jars. I smell with my nose. I taste with my mouth. Or if they are peg-fed, then you can change it to I taste with my tummy. I taste with my mouth. And again, have a variety of lots of different foods and textures and tastes to taste and lick. Or if they are peg-fed and they taste with their tummy, then you could try different flavoured feeds. I move with my body. And this one can look like lots of different things. I want you to encourage a student to use their preferred method of movement. So that could be flapping, spinning, pacing, hand clapping, stimming, kicking, bouncing, stretching, smiling, whatever they choose to do and whatever they enjoy best. I feel the air on my skin. I feel the air on my skin. My body can get hot and cold. For this one, we have a microwavable hand warmer and an ice pack. If you're exploring this one with your learner, then you would say, my body can get hot. They feel the warmer. And if they're feeling this one, my body can get cold. And rotate them around so everybody gets a turn with both. I can feel if I am tired or poorly. For this one, everyone can snuggle in a blanket and enjoy a calming sensory bottle. I can feel if I am tired or poorly. Story has finished. If you would like access to this, then the link is in the description below. Or you can find it worldwide on Amazon by searching Jordan Garrett Sensory Stories or Jordan Garrett All About Me.